One person has died and another is missing after a massive wildfire swept through parts of southern France, destroying homes and forcing thousands to evacuate. The blaze broke out on Tuesday near the village of La Ribat in the Aude region and has already burned more than 13,000 hectares, 50 sq miles, an area larger than Paris, making it the largest wildfire in France this year. At least 25 homes have been destroyed and more than 2,500 households are without electricity. More than 1,800 firefighters, supported by 500 vehicles, were deployed to the area.